Welcome to Sukhoi Shift, where we dive into the latest and most exciting developments in the world of aerospace and defense. In today's video, we're going to talk about a groundbreaking new aircraft, the 2025 Sukhoi UA30MKI. Let's break down what makes this next-gen fighter jet stand out, and why it's set to revolutionize aerial combat for years to come. The Sukhoi UA30MKI is the future of modern air combat, designed to replace the current fleet of Su-30MKI fighters in the Indian Air Force. Expected to enter service in the mid-2020s, this aircraft builds on the proven legacy of its predecessors while integrating cutting-edge technology to enhance performance, versatility, and lethality. This is no mere upgrade. The UA30MKI features a host of advancements in stealth, avionics, weaponry, and artificial intelligence that will reshape the way we think about aerial warfare. One of the most striking features of the UA30MKI is its highly advanced design, which incorporates stealth capabilities without compromising on agility. Its airframe has been redesigned for reduced radar cross-section, with new composite materials and enhanced shaping to minimize detection. In addition to stealth, the jet's aerodynamics have been optimized for high-speed, high-maneuverability combat, making it one of the most agile fighters in its class. With advanced thrust vectoring capabilities, the UA30MKI can execute extreme maneuvers with precision and speed, giving it an edge in dogfights and evasive maneuvers. The heart of the UA30MKI lies in its next-generation avionics suite. Equipped with state-of-the-art radar systems, including a new AESA, Active Electronically Scanned Array, radar, this fighter will have unparalleled situational awareness. It can track multiple targets at long ranges while maintaining high levels of electronic warfare, EW, resistance. Moreover, the UA30MKI comes with an advanced IRST, infrared search and track, system, providing enhanced tracking and targeting cap.